I don't like The Rescuers Down Under.
Iggy, we are seeing The Rescuers Down Under because Ludwig wants to see it.
No, I want Peppa Pig and the Golden Wellies, not this movie.
Iggy Koopa, what did Wendy O. Koopa just say? We are not seeing Peppa Pig and the Golden Wellies. We are seeing The Rescuers Down Under. Watch it now or you're grounded even longer.
That's it. I will put on the screen.
Iggy Koopa, how dare you do that while we're seeing The Rescuers Down Under? We're grounding you even longer for pooping on the screen.
Come with us, Iggy. When we get home, you're grounded even longer.
Go to bed, and no TV, no PlayStation 1, no Avengers, Age of Ultron, no Rayman 2, The Great Escape, and you will not see Mission Impossible, Rogue Nation when it comes out in theaters.
I agree with Wendy O. Koopa. Go to bed, and we will download The Rescuers Down Under on your iPod through our Disney Movies Anywhere app, and we will delete all your Marvel movies.
That's really unfair, Wendy O. Koopa and Ludwig von Koopa. I wish you two and Busser are dead and cremated.